So hello everyone, today I want to show you how to bypass a VBA project password in Excel or in Word or in PowerPoint. It doesn't matter, it just works. So the first thing you should do is to back up your files, and after you back up your files you can go to the link I put in the video description and copy the code there, and then you can create a new Excel files. And after creating a new Excel files, you just go to that files and go to Visual Basic, and then you can just right click there, create a new module, and in this module you can put your code in here. And as you notice, you have the unprotected sub, so just please click on the sub, play it, and you can see VBA project is unprotected. So now go back to your locked VBA project. You can see here, you can click on the plus sign, and there you go. You can bypass the password to this locked VBA project easily with the code. So the code is coming from my answer on Stackoverflow. So this is this one, and it's worked for Microsoft Excel 2007, 2010, 2013, and 2016, as you see. So just try it out and give me a thumbs up if it works for you. Thank you very much and see you later.